Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions for lock screen in Xiaomi Redmi 12C. And to do this you need to open your settings. Now scroll all the way down to find additional settings. And here we can see gesture shortcuts. And let's check how they work on lock screen. So there's Launch Google Assistant. If you enable it and hold the power button for half a second, it will call out our Google Assistant. So when it's unlocked, it works fine. And now let's see on the lock screen. It also works fine, but you might need to wake up your phone first. Next is take a screenshot. So there's two options. If you enter the setting, there's slide down 3 fingers and volume down and power key. Let's try slide down. And here we just made a screenshot, and let's try volume down and power button combination, also works fine. Launch camera, you can enter the setting and there's also two options. Double press the power button to open camera and double press volume down key when your phone is locked to open your camera. Let's try it on unlocked phone. And here we have our camera, and then when it's locked, also camera opens up, so that all seems fine. Next is turn on torch, and if you enable it, you will need to disable launch camera with a power button. So let's replace that and see if this works on your lock screen. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.